If you're building search, you want an experience that helps end users find relevant results fast, even when users make mistakes. In this video, we'll show you how to narrow down search scope or provide suggested results when a search term may not return a good response. With scoped suggestions, you can help users navigate large product catalogs. Your end users search for large screen. The results for this query may include TVs, TV stands, computer monitors, and other categories. Scoped suggestions helps users narrow down their searches within specific categories or brands. You can use Elasticsearch and Search UI to add category suggestions to your search experience. Look at top queries in your search analytics to find what terms people are searching for. For popular terms such as LCD TV, add it to an association document that connects top queries and their associated category. Here's an example. This idea can extend to more complex searches if required. For example, you can add lists of categories or add another scope, like brands. Once this list of suggestions is ready, the next step is to add them to the search experience with Search UI. You'll find a link to a blog with details to this step at the end of the video. Once everything is in place, you'll see suggestions come up as you search for different categories. The next feature we'll look at is Did You Mean or Query Correction Suggestions. Shoppers get frustrated when they don't see relevant search results. This can happen if the keywords a user searches for are not directly related to the search or have a spelling error. To avoid returning only a few search results or no results at all, it's a best practice to suggest a better query term with results for that term instead. This is commonly referred to as a "Did you mean" suggestion. Let's see how you can add this to your search experience. Add the top queries from Search Analytics to an index. Now, when a user enters a search term that is not a good match, this search term is sent to the Suggest API, and Elasticsearch returns a search result that is the best matching term instead. This process of identifying a less than ideal input and returning the closest matching term with search results is entirely automated, so it scales really well. We'll add Did You Mean suggestions to the same React application we used for the Scope Suggestions demo we just saw. Now, when someone misspells the word speakers, they'll see a search suggestion with search results displayed alongside, resulting in a more engaging search experience. Find detailed steps, links to documentation, and more tips on implementing scoped search and Did You Mean suggestions in the blog post at this link. We can't wait to see what you'll build.